Hey y'all, Mike here from allamerican.org, and today we're talking about living room furniture made in the USA. So I've done a bunch of different furniture videos in the past on the channel, everything from just general furniture that's made in the USA, all the way down to really specific stuff like sofas. Now there's obviously a ton of different furniture manufacturers that are in the US, and so I wanted to take the time in today's video to mention 8 furniture manufacturers that I've never mentioned before on the channel that are making great stuff for your living room. I'm personally going through some living room updates right now, doing some minor renovations, and then swapping out some pieces for some great American-made furniture. I actually recently just picked up a new sofa. It's a secondhand sofa from a company called American Signature Furniture that's made in my home state of North Carolina. Anyways, we have a ton of research obviously on allamerican.org across the furniture category, including a ton on living room furniture. So I'm putting links to all of that research in the description below, and you'll also see it pop up throughout the video at the cards at the top of your screen. But in this one, like I said, I'm covering 8 manufacturers that I've never mentioned before on the channel, and covering everything from sofas and chairs to coffee tables to bookshelves to TV consoles and pretty much everything that you need for your living room setup. So let's jump right into these great American manufacturers. If there's others that you want to shout out, make sure to leave a comment below, or if you have any questions about the brands that I mentioned or some of the information in the video, make sure to leave a comment as well. First up is Stanton Sofas. Stanton Sofa is based in Canby, Oregon, and is a family-owned and operated business that got started in 1973. Much like the name suggests, Stanton Sofas makes sofas, and they have a lot of them. Their entire inventory, they have over 200 different fabric options, and they source all of the hardwoods that they use in their sofas from local forests around the Pacific Northwest. Next up is Mayo Furniture. Mayo Furniture is based in Texarkana, Texas, and manufactures some really high quality upholstered sofas, love seats, sectionals, and accent chairs. They have a ton of fabric options and a few classic sofa styles that you can customize. If you want to pick up anything from Mayo Furniture, one note on them is they only sell through third-party retailers. So make sure to use the map on their website to find one near you if you're interested in picking up one of their pieces of furniture. Another company I love for living room furniture is Mantle Furniture. Mantle Furniture is based in Maiden, North Carolina, and has a history of furniture making that dates all the way back to the 1800s. They're a family-owned business and have a lot of great sofas and sectionals to choose from. Before I picked up the secondhand one that is in my living room today, I was actually looking at a lot of really awesome mantle pieces, so definitely a great company to check out if you like their style. Next up is Stuart David. Stuart David's a great manufacturer in California that's making a lot of awesome sofas as well as recliners if you'd like to have one of those in your living room. All of their recliners are made to order, and you can even customize them with the different wood option that you want, the fabric obviously, the size, and a lot of other details. Next up is Foundry 39. Foundry 39 is based in Goshen, Indiana, and I really like them for all of their coffee tables, TV consoles, side tables, and a bunch of the other accents that go around your living room. They use a lot of durable solid woods like maple, cherry, walnut, and hickory in pretty much all of their furniture pieces, so they come out in a really beautiful finish. Next up is Gat Creek. Gat Creek's based in West Virginia and is another company that I really like for their coffee tables, bookshelves, and other things like that around your living room. Everything's handmade from beautiful hardwood and really classic finishes, and you can customize a ton of the pieces that you order from Gat Creek as well. Another touch I really like from them is being able to customize the hardware that's on each piece too. So whether it's your drawer pulls or your cabinet doors, you can pick out any sort of style that they offer in their online catalog. Next up is Amish Traditions. Amish Traditions is based in Bridgeport, West Virginia, and makes really beautiful, simple furniture that is really well made that you come to expect from a lot of Amish communities. They have a ton of different stuff that you need for the living room. They make everything from sofas to recliners to coffee tables to bookshelves to rocking chairs and a lot of other items. So you can get everything that you need for your living room, or if you really like a couple of pieces, they have a wide variety to choose from. And the last brand I'll mention in today's video is Old Hickory Furniture. Old Hickory Furniture is based in Shelbyville, Indiana, and they've been handcrafting beautiful furniture there since 1899. Their building techniques really haven't changed all that much over the years, and they haven't needed to. All of their pieces are really beautiful and super durable. I really love their console tables and their benches in particular, which are a couple of good living room items, but then they also make things like sofas and coffee tables and a bunch of other stuff that you can put in your living room. Alrighty y'all, that's it for this one. What furniture are you putting in your living room? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you have any questions, and as always, thanks for supporting your country and shopping American made. See y'all next time.